Hello, good day and welcome to Joso. My name is Edwin and today I'll be introducing SinoGNSS N2 receiver. So in here is our N2 receiver. It comes in a portable, slim nature. It has inbuilt battery, so the battery is inside. All you just need to do is to plug it in and it will charge. This is the radio antenna and this is the charging port for the battery. You can monitor the battery rates from these indicators under the receiver. So this is the front of the receiver, this is the power button, and this is the static logger button. Alright, so the base and the rover comes in one box. So I have with me this. You can use this for your base, you can use this for your rover, whichever way you want. This is the clamp for our receiver. Use it to clamp the controller, so the controller to our pole. This is the portable tie back and spindle. It has this for centering. Of course, it has this for leveling. So these are the chargers. Then this one is the measuring tape to measure the height of your base. It has 30 centimeter pole for your base extension. These are the chargers and all the components. It also works well with internal radio, so you have your whip antenna. So another thing I want to show you, when you turn it on, to turn it on you press down and it will turn on, then it will show you light indicators. So we just need to wait for a minute for it to boot. So when it makes that beep, it is ready to work. Then it will start searching for satellites. Now when it starts seeing satellites, the satellite indicator will start coming up, and this is the transfer indicator on this side. Now it is showing green. If we want to log static data, we just need to press the static button down, press down, and we'll get the static beep. Then this will start blinking on intervals. Also, when it's transferring data, it will also blink. So this indicator works for two functions. It works as the transfer indicator, and also it's used to know when it has started logging static data. So okay, so the N2 receiver also comes with NFC scanner, whereby you can connect your data logger to your receiver by just putting the scanner here to this place. So automatically it will ask you to pair. If you've paired it before, it has connected automatically. So let's go to connection and disconnect it again by just putting the scanner. The scanner of this controller is at this place, and the scanner of the NFC is here, of the N2 is here. So it's just, and automatically it will connect. So those are the features of the N2. You can work with this for at least 10 hours before the battery goes down. So those are the features of the N2 palm receiver. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.